Yo, welcome to you all. How everybody doing? This is Speedy. If you don't know me, I'm Speedy. I do trades. I give strategies and all of that. And if you already know me and you wondering where I've been kind for a while, and the reason for that is I've been just busy with getting my life to the level up, guys. You know what I'm saying? You gotta get to that level. So this is why, and today I just really want to talk about the strategy that everyone been asking me about. That like all of you guys have been asking me. I want a good strategy, and you have a course. We want to learn all of these topics. We've been discussed before. So the reason is I'm not doing it the course because I don't have the time for it, but if you guys support me enough, if you like really desperate for that course, I can do it. I can give you from my time, because I've been busy a lot. That's why I've been cutting for like, I don't know, like a year, I guess. So, for who don't know me, this is me. You can check the channel. You can see everything. You can see the strategies we've been doing. If you already know me, you know that I do strategies and everything. And everyone asking me for the course, I really want to do it. And I'm working on it already. But I just need time. And I'll let you guys know what is it about and what you have to do to get that course and everything. So let's just focus today on a strategy that I really found it so good. And you can turn like from like $10 if you got $10 in your account to really like 500 if you just practice that strategy that good. So I just want you to get the Aroon. See that one? Okay. And get what else? Yeah, we're just gonna get two of it. The period I just really want it to be 50. Okay, because the 30 and 25 and all of that is not that accurate period. And if you're asking what is the period is, that's really gonna just show you how the market really look. This this period really this is really accurate, and you're gonna make this one 100. Okay, that's it. What I really want you to do is just you see when these two and these two. I don't care about all of that. Okay, you're gonna be like how and what should I do? You should really do nothing. You just start. It was like what, $10? Alright. So let me just turn it. Yeah, it's just gonna take one of these like that. Alright. So everyone gonna be asking what is the Aroon and what is the Aroon indicator and what should I do with it? So I'll just tell you the indicator is like whether the market is trending, the trends of like that trend. We don't care. It also shows the potential of reversal if you want to know what does that mean. So I'm just gonna give you like an example. Let's just put it between uh like 10, all right? You're confused. What is the line between 0 and 100? So this is shows you how many periods have been passed since the last high and how many periods passed since the last low, okay? That's how the Aroon works. So if there is a happen like very recently was high, That's the Aroon up. And it's gonna be like near 100. And if the recent low happened very also like recently, the Aroon down will be near 100 too. So if you want to ask how to interrupt it, it's really not that hard. So you got the bullish signal, the buy and sell and everything. If the iron above 70 to 80, okay, and if the iron down below 30, this is just like an upward trend, okay? And I'm just gonna make it clear for you guys. So let's just say this is like 10 and this is 100. If this one, like you see that one on that side, if this is like below 30, you're gonna take like down. And if like above 70 and all of that, you're gonna take up. And I just gonna tell you how you can do it, honestly. And why do we just set it between 10 and 100? Just focus on that one. Alright, are we gonna buy? And if you're really gonna ask me why I'm not gonna do it like 25 or just do it, 15 as this platform says. Guys, we're gonna use it because we do a 1 minute trade, okay? This is so good for a minute or 5 minute, really. This is indicator like so good if you're gonna do like 5 minute, 4 minute, 1 minute as we do. That's why I just put it between 10 and 100. So I see the difference. This one really up there and this the same. If you're gonna see this and this, they are different. That's why I didn't take it down. I didn't sell, you know what I'm saying? If I'm gonna sell, these are like different. That's why I didn't sell. And I did buy because the blue line, they are the same. If you saw this blue line, it really the same as that line. If you can see that line and that line, they are pretty much the same. But this red line is not the same. That's why I didn't sell. That's why I did buy. This is like just like a very fast video just to let you know what is the Aroon. I'll just put more and more about the Aroon and how you can use it. Aroon is like very, very good if you just use it at the right time, at the right numbers. This is indicator gonna show you how the market works. So subscribe in that channel. I'm not gonna tell you guys, what are you gonna do. Okay, I'm just putting a lot of offer for you. Give you one of my greatest thing is my time. So all I want is just subscribe, share the video, do all the stuff. I'm not gonna tell you guys what you should do. And from my side, I'll just support you with my strategies and everything that I know about this platform. So you guys saw the Aroon. If you want to know the full Aroon, how it works, I can give you a full video about it. So just let me know in the comments and just subscribe to that channel and see you guys next video.